Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Market Musings with Watanabe. My name is Princess Costa, and today we are going to present to you an interesting statistics. But apart from that, we also have something very exciting for you. So let's just quickly go through it. So the exciting offer here is this, that Options IQ is giving a flat 40% discount for his yearly subscription. All you have to do is just pay rupees 5,999, which is a flat 40% discount. Just scan this QR code and make the payment. Now, let me tell you the benefits for going through Options IQ, for subscribing to Options IQ. I'm sorry. Um, so not just you won't just get a real-time access to the trading ideas, but it will help you to get a better understanding of the historical performances of those trading ideas. It will help to make an informed trading decisions, and statistical information helps. It also helps in managing the risk, and last but not the least, it will save a lot of your time. So if you haven't subscribed it yet, then do so. Now, quickly moving towards the presentation part. So Saturday we had results for ICICI Bank. The results are quite good. Now the net profit is up at around 10,261 crores, which is up by around 35.8%. Net interest income is at 18,307 crores, which is up by around 25% on YY basis. The gross NPA additions were rupees 4,687 crores in Q2 as compared with 5,318 crores in Q1. Gross non-performing asset is at 2.48% on YOY basis, and net non-performing asset is at 0.43% versus 0.61% on YOY basis. Now, the trading ideas that was shared by Options IQ, it's a comparison basically. So first idea was related to short straddle. All you had to do was, if you would have shorted at the money put and call of ICICI Bank to the nearest trend strike ahead of the ICICI Bank earnings for T plus 1, then since 2016 onwards, the stat says that there were roughly around 31 such earnings, and out of which 24 were wins, which is around 77 percentage of winning. Average expectation here is just 1 point, and maximum loss here was 45 points, which was mainly, which was on 22nd of August 2021, and majorly it was due to shorting call. Now, if we see the total points by playing around the strategy, you would have earned just 26 points versus the benchmark of 1,528 points, which is quite less. 1 by P value is less than 20, which means the data is not statistically significant, and the profit factor here is 1.25, which means for every $1 you lost, you would have just made around $1.25. Now, 2 out of 8 years were in losses, out of which 2021 was a major loss with 61 points, and max gain here is in the year 2022, which is just 30 points. Now, moving towards the next idea, that is shorting put. If we just kept shorting put at the money of ICICI Bank to the nearest 10th strike ahead of the ICICI Bank earnings, now, the result here says that there were 31 such instances, out of which 23 were wins, which is around 75% of winning. Average point expectation here is 4 points. Max loss here is 11 points, which is on 24th of July 2020. Just by playing around the strategy, you would have made around 130 points versus a benchmark of 764. 1 by P value is more than 20, which means the data is statistically significant. The profit factor here is 4.27, which means for every $1 you lost, you would have made around $4.27. Now, here also, if we see 2 out of 8 years were in losses. However, max profit here is 54 points, which was in 2021, and followed by 25 points, which was in 2018. Now, if we compare these two strategies, we can see that just by shorting put, you would have made much more points. You would have earned much more points as compared to playing around short strategies. Now moving towards our global indices, which did give a clear indication that all the indices are down, and also GIFT Nifty was down, which gave an indication that it will give a muted start for the Indian market. In the commodity section, we see that the price of gold and silver are going up. Brent crude is at around $87 per barrel. In FI and DI data, we can see both FIs and DIs have bought in cash market. And FI and derivatives, we can see they have gone short in index futures and long in index options. And overall, there is an addition of around 6,771 crores. So that's it in the market musings from my side. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and have a good day.